Christiana tax office to relocate to Struan Castle effective February 23rd, 2026. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Tax Administration of Jamaica is advising the public that the Christiana Tax Office in Manchester will officially relocate to Struan Castle in the parish effective February 23, 2026. As a result, the existing office will be closed on Thursday, February 19 and Friday, February 20th to facilitate the relocation exercise. The Tax Administration of Jamaica says the move represents an important milestone in ongoing efforts to enhance the service delivery and better meet the needs of the community. It says that the new location will feature expanded services offerings including driver's license services with both processing and printing available on site. The facility will also provide convenient parking for customers, along with a large banking hall designed for the comfortable accommodation of taxpayers who require in-person services, including the use of the cashier. In addition, the office will be equipped with a queue management system to improve the customer flow, as well as a self-service system designed to provide quicker and more convenient access to selected services. The TAJ said that the relocated space will offer a more digitally enabled service environment and forms part of a broader effort to upscaling their operation and enhancing the overall taxpayer experience. The government broke ground at the construction site of the new Christiana Tax Office in Manchester on Thursday, February 23, 2023. The Tax Administration Commissioner Ainsley Powell disclosed that logistics and supply issues have delayed the opening. Approximately $441.7 million was embarked in the 2024-2025 estimates of expenditure to complete the construction of the building, which replaced the existing facility located at Apple Tree Plaza in Christiana, Manchester. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Andrew Holness, did a tour of the facility sometime last year, in which he looked on the work and how the progress has been made.
This is part of a larger program that the Ministry of Finance has. One of the complaints we get from the public is the inconvenience, the time it takes, and sometimes the very difficult circumstances that people have to endure in order to access public services. And so the Ministry of Finance is building out across Jamaica several of these new facilities. They are built with the public in mind. So where we are standing is the actual customer service hall, which is quite large, and from what I am told, it will be quite well appointed with facilities to ensure the comfort of the public and the taxpayer. I gather it will also have a green area, so it will be aesthetically appealing, and people can, if they choose, to wait on the outside in pleasant circumstances, green gardens, or if they choose, they can wait inside in air-conditioned comfort. It is purpose-built, so it's not a building that we are taking over and then have to renovate to suit the purpose. So it is well thought out, well engineered, so the people of not just Northeast Manchester, but parts of Trelawney and the Clarendon will benefit from this. The bigger picture that I would want to say to Jamaica is that we are paying close attention to the development of rural townships. Our rural towns have essentially grown without planning. They have grown organically. And as a result of that, unplanned nature of their development, they have congestion. It's very difficult for people to maneuver the township, and they lack some of the critical services. So they have to travel miles to get those services. So what we're trying to do is to develop these towns. The beauty of projects like these, you hear the statistic that unemployment is down to 4.2%. This project has employed between 45 and 50 persons for the last year. The project has another 3 or 4 months to go, and those people will be employed. right across Jamaica, there are projects like these, larger projects. On the north coast, several major hotels are being built, and it is absorbing labor. You see these ladies here? They are working on our construction sites right across Jamaica. That is what we mean when we say we provide employment.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.